Hey guys, what's up? This is Naveed and you're watching Naveed's View. In today's video, we will do unboxing for Vivo latest model Vivo V20. The phone is extremely comfortable in hand and it's coming with a Super AMOLED display and it's based on Android 11 software. The camera performance is better than what usually we are getting in this price. So let's go and start the video. That's all for today, friends. So go ahead and tell me in comments below and hit the thumbs up if you like the video, and do not forget to subscribe if you want to watch more of my content. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.